So this video is going to be for the members of Apache Talk. This is my newly acquired 1975 Nishijin circuit Pachinko machine. I just had it shipped from St. Louis, Missouri to Virginia. The circuit racer was one of the first electromechanical machines manufactured by Nishijin in Japan in the 1970s. So one thing that I noticed about these 1975 circuit racers was that there weren't a whole lot of really quality YouTube videos on them. So I'm going to try to put something a little bit more creative together in Premiere Pro and see what we can do to kind of showcase this super cool 1975 Nishijin circuit racer. So let's get started. For whatever reason, my number 4 slot doesn't work. I'm going to be troubleshooting that in coming weeks to see if I can fix it. So another kind of hotly debated topic is how much power should you be sending through this one little fuse box here. And if you look on the back of your machine and see one fuse box, you're kind of in luck, because this is kind of the setup that I have here on my machine. And basically what I've got here as far as power setup goes is a 20 volt 3.25 amp computer charger. So it's just actually an old Lenovo computer charger here, and if it will focus, there you go. You can see the output there on the left hand side is 20 volts 3.25 amps, which I actually think is kind of nice because we're running under power here, which means that there's a little bit less chance of me frying the electronics for whatever reason, which is kind of nice because some of the pieces inside of this this little block here, from what I understand, they don't make those pieces anymore. So it'd be kind of hard to replace if you fry something on accident. So if you have the one fuse box with the wires for power supply here running through the side of the machine into your single fuse box, a 20 volt 3.25 amp transformer, just like an old computer charger like this here, should do you just fine. One thing I definitely recommend doing if you're going to use a computer charger is making sure that you wrap the electrical wire that goes around this white wire with electrical tape, just to make sure you're not crossing some of the wires there, because that will definitely lead to a problem. And then this is kind of the setup here that I inherited with my machine. That's the wiring there. So this is the white wire that goes around the back of the machine there to the right to power the solenoids, and then your common lighting schematics. So that powers the leaf switches for the jackpots here and right here.